Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I've been really admiring such kind of mirrors, like full body length mirrors, most of this one with the light emanating from behind, and I really wish I could have myself one, but I didn't have enough space in my sitting room. That is why I resorted to installing my mirror in my hallway. Right at the end I have a wall. Initially it was cream. I had to repaint it to white. Then I asked the painter to do the gray frame that you see over there. It was just to help me like brighten up the place. And then for the aesthetics, I'm yet to do more with this space. I hope I'll keep you posted. Initially I was just placing my cloth bin and my shoe rack there and just anything that could fit, but right now I want to make something good out of this space. So let's go to the glass mat vendor. At first I had contacted a glass mat vendor that I knew, but he really disappointed me, so I was in search for a new glass vendor. Then when I was in the vehicle, I saw this spot at Junction, Kayole Junction that is. The guy is really kind. He even helped us load the mirror. I gave him the specifications for my mirror, and I also had to pick a tabletop. He had specialized on these curved mirrors, that's why he delivered. Well, my mirror is 60 inches by 30 inches, or around 4.5 feet, I'm not sure. So this is us trying to load the mirror and just to make sure that it is safe and it will get home safely. I had to sit at the back so that I can support it and avoid the play. So when I got home, this is how the previous glass vendor left my wall, because the one I was working with right now was not able to come to site. I just had to find a new person, or I would be the person. So I said, let me give the other person that I'll contact an easy time by placing the wood in the right place, because this was the first mistake that he did. So I had to remove the wood. Really used up a lot of strength, but if you're determined to get something achieved and you want it done your way, then you have to put your hands to them. That's why I ended up doing this by myself. After a lot of struggle, I was able to remove these pieces of wood from the wall. These ones were supposed to support the mirror and also give us space for us to pass the lighting on the back. So I went, took a shower, cleared the area, and I was ready to work on the wall. So this is me trying to remove the last piece of wood. I won't remove the lower one. I found it to be a bit helpful because it will give the mirror support, and also I'll also paint it black later on, and you'll just see the outcome when it's painted black instead of it remaining as bare wood. Given that the glass mat vendor had made holes on the mirror, so it gave me an easy time to know where to place my wood. I just placed it there where I left the supporting wood, and then using a pencil I marked the spots where the holes were on the wall, so it would give me an easy time to place the wood. Don't mind the girls. So we supported the mirror and then got back to work. This is me marking the wood where it's convenient for me to cut it, and then I'm also measuring with the mirror so it won't be too long. So that's what I'm trying to do. Then using a steel nail, I positioned the wood and fixed it on the wall. So that will be the same for the rest of the wood. So the ones that were too long, I used a saw to cut them and to reduce them. It was hectic because my saw was a bit blunt, and then it's this handheld one, the slim one. But you got to use what you have. When you're DIYing, you just have to be creative and all that. So after that, I'll just cut the two wood that were left and then fix them to the wall too. Then the woodwork will be done.
That's my mommy. You see, she's working it. That's my mommy. That's my mommy. Nobody like her. That's my mommy. That's my mommy. Nobody like her. Can't beat my mommy. She is like a fundi. But look at her. 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 She's my mommy. Go, mommy. Go, mommy. You are strong. You are strong. Girl power. Girl power. Go, mommy.
At this point, I was a bit sad. One, I didn't have a drill, and then another thing, I just wanted to do it and just get done with it. I didn't want to call anybody because I had already gotten this far. So I was thinking of what to do. As I was thinking of how I'll fix the screws on the mirror, I got paint that I had put away for quite a while. It was even dry. The upper part was had formed a layer, so I had to remove the layer, then mix it. This is oil paint, and then we used toothbrush to paint it. These are all toothbrush, by the way, to paint the wood.